Hello, and welcome to Boomi Essentials. This is the first class in your Boomi training journey. Let's begin by looking at our agenda. In Atomsphere Basics, which is broken into two sections, you'll learn important terms to help you understand Atomsphere, and then we'll take a tour of the Atomsphere platform. Next, you'll learn about how processes are built, deployed, and managed through the appropriately named Build tab, Deploy tab, and Manage tab. Finally, we'll wrap things up with a complete walkthrough of a Boomi process and examine the available help and support options. Before we begin our class, it's important to understand what you need. First, make sure the activity guide is in front of you, either printed or on your screen or tablet. During class, I'll demonstrate exercises, and then you complete those exercises on your own. As I demonstrate an exercise, just sit back, watch, and listen, and then you can complete the exercise using our step-by-step activity guide. Please do not work ahead. This class is designed so concepts from one exercise lead into the next, so you don't want to miss out on some important information while I'm demonstrating the exercise. And finally, it's not all about the activity guide. I have slides to share, exercises to demonstrate along the way. I'll also make it clear when to watch and listen and when to work on your own exercises. This concludes our welcome section. In our next section, we'll discuss Atomsphere Basics.